Alright, now that we have our scratch cat moving and running across the screen, you can make that slower or faster if you prefer by changing this number. The next thing we need to do is make the backdrop change. So pull out another when green flag clicked and another forever loop because we want this to happen all the time. And we need another if statement. Okay, another if block. Now, when we want to go to the next backdrop, move your scratch cat all the way to the left. Okay? And take a look. If you click on motion, or if you click on the eye, you can see where what his X position currently is. So mine is at 201. So I'm going to put in, I want to check to see if my sprite cat and my scratch cat is past this X point. So if his X position is greater than 201. To do this, I will take out an operator, and I want to take out the less than operator. Okay? And I want to see if the number that I'm going to go with is 201 and just add another one. So I'll put in 202. And I want to see if 202 is less than, because I want the scratch cat's X position to be past this point, greater than this point. So I will go to motion and click on X position here and drop it in the other square. Okay? And this will go in here. So if 202 is less than the X position, then we will click on looks and go to the next backdrop. So switch backdrop to, and then click on the little arrow and click on next backdrop. Okay? And not only do we want to go to the next backdrop, but we want our scratch cat to be back on the left side of the screen. Okay? So let's go to motion and take out the go to block. But make sure these numbers right here are the same as the numbers up at the beginning for where we started. So in my case, that was negative 199 and negative 136. So now, if I move, I just went to the next backdrop. The next step is to go in the opposite direction. So now I want to see if when my scratch cat's X position is less than negative 199, because with negative numbers, even if the number without the negative sign appears to be larger, that negative sign, it's making it pulling it further away from 0. So we want it to be less than that point. So again, we'll pull out a when green flag clicked, a forever loop, an if then block, and a less than. But this time, I'll put the number on the right side of the block. So I'm going to put, instead of negative 199, I'll put negative 200, so it's one more than that. And again, I will pull out the X position and put that on the first side. Then I will take out the switch backdrop to, and instead of next backdrop, I will put previous backdrop. And under motion, I will grab go to again, and I want to go to this side. Now, remember that we're checking here if our X position is greater than 202. Make sure that the X you put in here is less than 202. Otherwise, you'll immediately go to the next backdrop when you switch over there. So I'll put in 200. So now, if I go back, I just went back to the last one. And that is all.